Hi, everyone. I'm Tom Fitzpatrick for Accellera. As a member of the Portable Stimulus Working Group, I'm excited to let you know that I'll be presenting a 90-minute technical workshop on portable stimulus at DVCon U.S. coming up in March. Titled Practical Tips for Adopting PSS, that's exactly what you'll get. We'll start by showing you how portable stimulus fits into your verification flow and how it maximizes both horizontal and vertical reuse as you move from block level all the way up to full SOC level verification. Then we'll go through an example of how to model and configure resources in your device. We'll review different mechanisms you can use depending on your requirements and how PSS provides the flexibility to adjust or augment your model as those requirements change. Next, we'll show how you can define different target language specific implementations of the actions in your PSS model. We'll go through the different mechanisms that PSS provides for doing this and how you can specify fully portable register level sequences in PSS. We'll also show how PSS executors let you map action traversals to specific elements in your verification environment, whether it's a UVM component executing a sequence, or a processor model, or even an actual processor in post-silicon running C code. If you've ever considered adding PSS to your verification flow, or even if you've just wondered how you might use PSS, I'm sure you'll find this session interesting and enjoyable. So come join us Monday, March 2nd at 9 a.m. at the Hyatt Regency Santa Clara and get your DVCon U.S. experience off to a great start. I hope to see you there.